Okay, so I got in a bit late this morning. The guys are ahead of me. So there's the machine. So step one in setup is taking this tooling plate here. Trying to get my fingerprints over it. And we put in these little support pins here. They're not in particularly rigidly. The key are these little arms, which have, in this case, 3.5mm pins sticking up out of them. And you just set it up such that this locates the board. This is the board we're going to be running. Physically, it's a big board. It's got 350 odd parts on it. And you don't have to get this in super square or anything like that. Just as long as it's in there and looks about right. And then we take our stencil. We'll zoom out a bit. There's our frame stencil. It just goes in there. And I'll leave that loose at the moment. We'll come down and we'll start the machine up. Manual mode. Okay, just that one. Okay, cool. Okay, and it comes down there. And now you just do a quick line up. We'll try this again now with the stencil the right way around. And I'm still trying to do this one-handed, but we'll get there. There it is, there it is, there it is. Right, that's looking reasonably good. I'll now just do these clamps up. Right, and now on the front here and on the side we've got fine adjustment screws. Although that actually, if we look at the TQFP, might be our best bet. I don't know how much you can see there. Pull that back just ever so slightly. Oh, it goes off. Now go that way a bit. You can see the pins coming into alignment and going out of alignment there. So that's good. And it looks like we're a little bit off left to right, so we'll just, there's only one there. And there we are. That is now lined up pretty well. I'll just check this side. Yeah, that's good enough for the girls I go out with. And now we just drop this head down, of course. Very hard to, on that one. This one. And you're ready to chuck some paste on and print. So that's pretty much the setup process with one hand. La la la.